Hi there, Dave here. I wanted to introduce you to our new clipping feature that can help you save time and money when using point cloud data. With a point cloud added to your project, you can add a clip box by clicking on the Add Clip Box button under the Tools menu. Clicking anywhere on your point cloud will then insert the clip box, and you can give it a name and a description to help you remember it. We can then toggle the Model Edit switch to enable us to move, rotate, and scale the clip box to our needs. Currently, the data inside the clip box is highlighted red to show us it is selected. To actually apply the clipping, we go to the Data Management area and go to the New Clip Boxes tab. Here we can choose between outer clipping, which removes all of the data outside of the clip box, and inner clipping, which removes everything inside the clip boxes. We also have a toggle for showing or hiding the bounding boxes of the clips. The great news is this functionality works on both desktops and mobile devices for the ultimate flexibility. So here's a few examples of clip boxes in action. One of the best uses for clip boxes is segmenting your data into more manageable areas. For example, take this house. We can create clips for each room or floor and then toggle their visibility as required. We can also create saved states that remember the visibility of the clip boxes, so it makes our lives even easier. To see more about saved states, check out our other videos. I really don't like to see random noise in my scan data, but even after manual cleaning, some can still creep through. So if this happens, you can now use the inner clipping option to remove it. Toggle the frame visibility as well to remove the bounding box of the clip to make it seamless. Now, whilst this isn't strictly a plan, as it isn't an orthographic view, it is still useful to be able to take a broad slice of a project to get an idea of the plan layout. We can use the Clip Outside option to give us just what we need. I can then save this as a state so that I can get back to it whenever I need to. Another great use of the clip box is removing part of the point cloud to replace it with a new design. This makes interacting with clouds and models far easier and lets you share your ideas more quickly with clients. So these are just some of the uses for this new feature. Thanks for watching, and if there's any ideas that you have for future features, please do let us know.